Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel your Whoop free trial. You might already tried accessing your account through the Whoops app, but you still can't find any setting, button, or option that can let you cancel your free trial membership. But worry not because today I'm going to help you cancel your free trial on Whoop. So in your mobile phone, just go to Google Chrome or any browser. Then in the search bar, just access Whoop by typing app.whoop.com. Then just press enter. You will also be prompted to sign in with your account. All you have to do is enter your email address and password. And from there, just head over to membership and scroll down until you see the cancel membership link. Just click on the link. You might also be asked if you just want to take a break where you can pause your membership, or if you're really decided to cancel, just click on no thanks, still cancel. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!